one of the three main exercises suggested from back health expert Stu McGill. I'll demonstrate common mistakes I see in this exercise and modifications. So if you like these videos, please do like and subscribe so you don't miss other wellness tutorial. My name is Christine Germain from Motion Exploration. You hear my voice right now because the original was recorded in French. So here you have Emily that will demonstrate. I'm asking her to have legs long. You could do it one knee bent and switch halfway through. I will demonstrate also in this video the modification if you have shoulder pain or neck pain when you do ab work. And if you do have osteoporosis, please do not do flexions. I suggest another video that I've done in the past right before this one. And so if you like this video, do subscribe and you don't miss any other tutorials. So bring your hands below or behind your lower back, so that the lower back doesn't come too close to the floor. And then exhale and bring your head and shoulder blades off the mat and hold for 5 seconds. Your lower belly shouldn't puff out, but really bring it towards the spine, towards the floor. Ideally, we want to hold this for 10 seconds, but you can start with 3 to 5 seconds, depending on how long it's been since you've done any of this. And over time, you can add up to 10 seconds and hold 10 seconds and repeat 10 times. Ideally, you want to do this every day, even several times a day if you're suffering from back pain. Exhale, and then now what I like to see is that the sternum is sliding down so that there's a nice effort that is distributed throughout Emily's spine. Please do not do anything that would exacerbate the pain, and consult a professional if the pain persists. Now, to demonstrate what I see often is people will often not move their chest and only lift the head, and you see how much tension that brings in the jaw and neck. That is absolutely unnecessary. The other mistake I see is eyes being stuck to look at the ceiling. Again, tension in the neck that is unnecessary, and that might be the cause of your neck pain. So exhale, eyes go for the right, and look down towards your feet before you hold. Now, if you've been struggling with neck pain, even with these mistakes being corrected, what I suggest is that you bring your hands behind your head. So now I'm explaining also that the dead bug, if you know the dead bug or toe tap as a Pilates exercise, would be your option if you do have osteoporosis. If you don't have osteoporosis, now I'm going to demonstrate the exercise for if the neck really hurts. So you could bend your knees, that will help also, and that will give a little more slack in the spine. Head is supported by the hands here, and you can really feel the head supported so that you release the neck so that the hands are doing the work. Especially when you're up, that's the time to really check in. Am I really releasing my head into my hands? And of course, the lower abdomen doesn't puff out, it stays towards the spine. As you exhale and bring yourself up again, make sure again that the sternum slides down and soften, and the shoulder blades can move away from the spine to allow a concave movement in the chest. So that's another movement. It's not the time to keep your shoulder blades back like you've been told to keep a good posture. This is not the time. Give yourself permission to round your chest and back. Now, if the issue for you is shoulders, take a hand towel, take the two opposite diagonal corners of that towel, and I'm rolling it here so that you can see better. What's important is you take the taut part and put it behind your eyes, so behind your head at eye level. So this way your hands don't have to go so far behind and your shoulders can have less strain. And from here on the exhale, you come into your upper curl, and again at the top, you can really relax your head into the hammock you created. And this is the test to see, oh, am I still holding in the neck? I'm lowering it a little bit. Emily had it a little high, so you can really feel supported by that towel. So that's another modification if shoulders are an issue. So don't do anything that exacerbate the pain, and take care of yourself so that you can adapt and modify according to your own limitation. Respect yourself, respect your limits. Thank you.